Hey everyone, if you have opened your Android keyboard and noticed your emojis are suddenly missing, you are definitely not alone. It can be frustrating, but the fix is usually simple. In this video, I will walk you through the easiest solution to get your emoji back in one time. First of all, open any messages field and check your emoji icon appear your keyboard toolbar. If you don't find it, don't panic. Follow this step. Now, open your phone main settings. After that, scroll down to the bottom, find the general management option, tap on it. After that, find the Samsung keyboard settings, open it. For this tutorial, I am using Samsung keyboard. If your Samsung keyboard, this method work for you. In the Samsung keyboard settings page, scroll down a little, find the style and layout section under the keyboard toolbar. Right now this option may be turned off, so tap to turn it on. After the option turn it on, you can back to the messages field again to appear the keyboard. Now look for the keyboard toolbar here. You can see the emoji icon appear, tap on it and boom, you can see all of emoji appear there. You can use it if you like. And that's it. I hope this quick fix solves your emoji problem. If it did, please like this video and subscribe for more helpful Android tips. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.